Woo, bonus bird, baby. Bonus bird. Alright, day 3 of dove hunting. We are in Aqueduct. There's a R2 Mojo right there. I'm about to set one right here. I got 2 already, but I didn't get on any on my Shotkam or webcam, GoPro. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so it is currently 7:57, almost 8 o'clock. Little update. Ooh, it's flying over there. But yeah, little update. I got doves right here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 doves right now. I shot what, 10 or 11? Couldn't find the others. Sorry for third day. Got here a little bit late, but got here it was just in time for birds to fly, I guess. And again, we're at Aqueduct. Got the decoys up on the canals right there. See if I could get my limit for this year. Haven't got my limit the past 2 days. So we'll see. Alright guys, about to head out right now. It's almost 10 o'clock, I believe. And slowing down. It's still fine here and there, but slow down. Oh, this one right there. There's some, like 2 people right there, but I don't know why they don't shoot it. But yeah. Little update from earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I only shot like, I got like 2 after the last update. Yeah, I missed a lot right after the first update video. I started missing, so it wasn't going great for me. but still gotta shoot, you know. My cousin got 4. I don't know where his bird at, in his bag, I think. And here's my Weatherby Element waterfowl with the 4 choke Shotkam. I didn't really get to record with the GoPro, all these birds flying in too fast, so it's gonna be mostly on Shotkam. I hope so. Let's see how we do afternoon if I come. Bring on the Got the bird. Oh, what the hell? Dude, this nigga don't even know how many birds he got. You did okay for 30. See if you come back later. What's up, guys? Day 4 dove hunting in the afternoon. Oh shit. Well, sorry about the language, I just missed one right now. Yeah, we got here maybe like 20 minutes. Shot 3 birds. They didn't want to go down. I hit them, but they didn't want to go down. One of them was the Eurasian. But yeah, oh man, yeah, let's see how it goes. Shooting this federal upland still 7.5 shot today. Right, I just missed another one right now. Flew super fast, so I'm about to go to the canal side. That way I have a better chance to see them and shoot them. Woo! Bonus bird, baby! Bonus bird! Let's see if I can find him. Oh yeah, hell yeah. On this bird, baby. Look at this. First pigeon. Oh yeah. No bands. Nice one. Oh yo, can't talk, hey! Oh. Saw me. Oh man. He didn't even come over here. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bonus bird. Just to make that 11 it.